Welcome back, YouTube, to Peterson Auto. Yeah, a little project of mine here. It's oh, 22 foot, I think. Gooseneck car trailer. So, loaded on the light boxes there. Did all the lighting. It's all LED. Whole thing's LED. These snazzy old school mag wheels. Oh, I love that look. Really gives it some pop and flair. Better than my wonderful spare, which just is a standard trailer wheel. So, a little more painting to do on it. You know, I gotta straighten that fender out a tad too. These little LED lights, though, they're pretty bright. They look nice, so I went with them. I like them. You know, we got them one up there behind the jack, one here, one there, and then there's 3 reds across the back on, you know, each side of the trailer. Got these jacks. I did 2 jacks. It's not ideal. I'm probably going to go ahead and mount another jack set up here, actually, at one point in time that works in tandem. So one on that side, one on this side, or something, because there's a winch going there where that weird bracket is. The winch is going to tuck in underneath a bit in those 4 holes in the floor there. So yeah, I don't know. If I can get it to work, I'll get it to work. Project for a later time. Right now, these jacks are going to work fine, because I wanted the ability to level it out more. I really did. And after I get something else up here that I can connect together or work separately, which is kind of my goal, because I can't really find anything like that right offhand, there's going to be more of these mounts here welded on the back, so I can isolate the whole thing like you would a camper. That way when you're loading, you pull up the back, you're not lifting the tongue up. You can load it without it hooked up to a trailer. So there's the tongue and the coupler, safety chains, heavy safety chains, all that good stuff. You know, so no big deal there. Have our electrical box here. Yes, it was bumper pull at one point. Those may come off, may not, I don't know. I didn't actually do the gooseneck conversion, someone else did. That's how I acquired it. Either way, it's going to be a good old trailer. Haul race car nice. Hint hint, there will be some race car videos coming at one point in time, I think, here. So if you're into, he's running the modified class. My neighbor's garage I borrow currently has a race car in it. It's going to be probably going to be running modified class at the local racetrack here. So we'll have some videos of that too for you. But yeah, long story short, this is the trailer that's going to haul that, along with whatever else I decide I want to haul. So it's going to have a 9,500 pound winch mounted under there. I'm going to make a cover for the winch. I don't know if I'm going to do fabric or I'm going to go with something steel. I kind of want fabric because then I have easy access to the winch. Switch it in and out and free spool and all that good stuff. So probably some kind of fabric, but we'll see. We'll go from there. Deck's in great shape. It's all steel. So that's going to be our hauling trailer there, YouTube. Did a lot of work to it, and there's a good bit of work coming. I really do enjoy these rear lights here, though, I have to admit. These boxes are nice. I got them off of eBay or Amazon or something with the lights and everything. Grommets all ready to go, pigtails, and just welded them on and wired them up. Did have lights, tail lights way up here by this bird poop. I hate that. If that's how your trailer's set up, change it to this, because it lights up there when you're behind it. They're hard to see to start with. Throw a car on top and maybe something in the back and you're not seeing them. So that's why I like these. They're right here, they're right at the end, they're out in the open, very clear and visible. And maybe need to put a little more paint down there, but you can see the 3 across the bottom. Yes, they're not evenly spaced. I don't know how I messed that up. Somehow I did. I'll probably move that one over a little bit or just leave it as is. Another thing you notice is there's tie downs. 1, 2, 3, 4 D-rings there. And we have 4 D-rings up each side, along with tons of stake pockets. So this trailer, as far as tie downs, tie anything down any way I want without any issues. I'm loving that. We'll have the winch. Then I'll just make some things to hook up, not make, probably I just buy, to hook up the snatch block to the D-rings, and it'll be as good as a rollback actually when it comes to loading anything. Another thing you notice is the NASCAR is off this trailer now. Probably seen it in the background a couple times, and we're missing a 65 Mustang. Yeah, that has been sold. So that project is gone. It was just a little too far gone after sitting for a year to be worthwhile by the time I would get into it. So maybe we'll find another one then. But this is my awesome car trailer, YouTube. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Peterson Auto.